Ethereum (ETH) basically dipped under the $2,000 mark last week as the breakdown of Terra's Luna and altcoins spread negative feeling all through advanced cash markets, which is genuinely huge. The Ether cost in every practical sense dropped to an extremely low of $1,748.30 on 12 May. It's actually the most reduced level since July fundamentally last year, and a 52.5% misfortune from where it all things considered began 2022. Would it be a good idea for you to generally think about trading Ether now to benefit from the increased cost instability? In this video we especially take a gander at the Ethereum long-haul figure from forecasters and examiners. Ether cost plunges on crypto sell-off. The breakdown of the Terra coin last week hauled down the Bitcoin, BTC, cost the Luna Foundation that backs the coin auctions off its Bitcoin possessions, trying to settle UST and Luna in an unobtrusive manner. That sell-off generally burdened costs for certainly different coins, sort of like Ether in a kind of large manner. The ETH value sort of dropped from $2,517.46 on 8 May to the 9-month low seen on 12 May, and in every way that really matters, has been not able to bounce back above $2,150. The coin sort of was exchanging around $1,948 at the hour of compassing on 19 May, which truly is genuinely huge. The macroeconomic climate has driven financial backers into risk-off mode, auctioning off resources like digital forms of money and innovation, especially stocks for holding the US dollar, which fundamentally moved to a close to 20-year high against a container of exceptionally different monetary standards on 12 May. Agreement to proof of stake (POS) fundamentally has been deferred from July and essentially is presently expected to happen an especially couple of months after the fact, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum's improvement group reported on 14 May that the primary public trial of the change to POS, which it calls the merge, is assessed to run on 8 June, presenting to it a bit nearer. On 17 May, Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin defined a portion of the inconsistencies in his vision for how the organization ought to especially foster over the drawn out in a Twitter string, including my craving to in every practical sense, see Ethereum for the most part, turned into a genuinely more Bitcoin-like framework, underlining commonly long-haul soundness and solidness, including socially, and my acknowledgement that arriving requires a considerable amount of dynamic facilitated exceptionally momentary change. Question currently basically is in an unobtrusive manner. What straightaway? Further increment for the most part as well, in every practical sense, liable to fuel further truly drops yet in addition flagging that individuals essentially are surrendering out and out. On an opinion note, this is great, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. ETH's market value by realized value MVRV90D, which estimates the midterm benefit loss of holders is showing that we are nearly into the open door zone, which generally in a real sense, saw a nearby base being created with a good RR opinion out there especially is pretty most certainly terrible right now, bringing us one stage kind of nearer to framing a base. While the transient standpoint basically has become kind of more unsure, has the new cost drop impacted the possibilities at the future cost of Ethereum over the long haul, which truly is genuinely huge? Is it safe to say that you are thinking about putting resources into Ether with a drawn-out time skyline, running into the following years and years? Provided that this is true, investigate the drawn-out assumptions at the cost underneath. Ethereum cost forecasts 2030 to 2050. Where will it exchange the next few decades, which is very critical. Experts basically will quite often generally stay bullish on Ether's projected development, likely over the long haul. At the hour of compassing, 19 May, calculation-based gauge site Wallet Investor anticipated that the cost should sort of outperform the past all-time high of $4,891.70 hit in November 2021 and generally reach $11,786.40 in 5 years, which is very critical. Looking forward to the furthest limit of the 10 years, Digital Conpress anticipated a by and large more slow speed of development, demonstrating that the Ethereum cost in 2030 could sort of reach $8,814.75 in view of verifiable information, which is genuinely huge. The ETH cost forecast from Compressiforecast really had the coin exchanging at $11,722 toward the finish of 2030 and $12,533 in 10 years, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2033, Ether could exchange at $14,667, putting it on target for additional increases by 2035, which is genuinely critical. In view of its kind of profound really man-made consciousness help specialized examination, price predictions Ethereum cost gauge was by a long shot the most bullish, assessing that the coin could take off to $49,740.33 by 2030. For a significantly longer reach viewpoint, Telegram especially anticipated that Ether could truly move from a for the most part normal of $6,117.24 in 2025 to $9,798.93 in 2030, $23,871.42 in 2040, and $45,128.53 in 2050 in a significant manner. While searching for Ethereum's future worth, it's vital to explicitly remember that cryptographic money showcases in a real sense remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely in a real sense foresee what a coin's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, kind of harder to explicitly give long-haul gauges, in spite of mainstream thinking. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and explicitly accomplish generally misunderstand their expectations, which is very critical. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money tokens for the kind of shorter extremely long haul, we generally suggest that you in every case for the most part do your own exploration, which generally is very critical. Take a gander at the sort of the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and key investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to settling on any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition and projected cost estimates sort of are no assurance of future returns, which for the most part is very huge. Furthermore, never by and large put away cash that you can't stand to in every practical sense, lose amazingly. How by and large high can Ethereum go, or so they most certainly thought. Estimates starting around 19 May differed generally for how high the ETH cost could exchange the future, featuring the significance of doing especially your own exploration, to think of an educated view regarding the coin's essentially potential worth as a matter of fact. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Whether Ether especially is ideal for your speculation portfolio will rely upon your gamble resilience, portfolio system, and how much you plan to contribute, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Digital forms of money really are high-risk resources, in spite of prevalent thinking. Never explicitly put away cash that you can't bear to lose in a significant manner in a real sense. Instructions to foresee the Ethereum cost, or so they thought. The future worth of Ether will rely upon the exhibition of the digital money markets, financial exchanges and macroeconomic opinion, as well as the improvement of the Ethereum blockchain and its related applications in an unobtrusive manner. Monitoring these variables can really assist you with essentially taking a view on the bearing of the Ether cost. Is Ethereum the following Bitcoin? While Bitcoin by and large means to turn into the essential computerized cash, Ethereum doesn't fundamentally contend straightforwardly however, gives a kind of savvy contract stage for designers to truly construct